Not every lead is ready to buy, and treating a cold prospect like a hot one wastes everyone's time. Vyroq tracks that automatically. Every lead moves through a life cycle. Still to contact, cold, warm, interested, intent to pay, paid, and recurrent. And you can filter your contacts list by any stage with one click. Open a leads detail drawer and you'll see the life cycle card, current stage, and any flags like disqualified, angry, or blocked. Disagree with the automation? Hit change stage, pick a new one, add a quick reason. The stage locks until you unlock it. Flags work independently of stage. Click set flags to mark a lead disqualified with a real reason like budget mismatch or wrong role, or flag someone angry so your team handles them with care. A paying customer can still be flagged angry. The two aren't mutually exclusive. For replies specifically, intent rules do the routing. Set keywords and conditions. Choose an action. Notify, auto-reply, escalate, or book an appointment. And set a priority. Vyroq classifies every inbound message against your rules automatically. No manual triage required. That's qualification without the guesswork. Leads move through your pipeline, flagged and routed the moment they show real intent. Start yours free at vyroq.com. No credit card, 14-day money-back guarantee.